shopping stars.
Regina always jumps in the photos. After Umrah, we are going to do some shopping.
Shopping time is my favorite time. We are going inside the Makka Tower for some shopping. Look at the big lights.
We will visit some shops and then decide what to buy.
It is a very big mall with so many shops and everything you can find in the mall. This big mall is in front of the mosque and so many pilgrims come to take some things from here and it also has a food court on the third floor and there is also a small shop. It's also just like a restaurant in its shape and half of the shape sizes. We can see it from here. Pilgrims bought different gifts for their loved ones.
Let's check this small shop.
Wow, all things are beautiful and colorful with so many designs.
I want to purchase a silver ring. In this stall, my size was not available. So come on, let's go to another shop. Regina, what are you checking? This shop has a huge variety of rings that are my size. Come on, let's choose.
How is this ring looking on my hand? Is it nice or no? There are so many rings but there is no my size and all of them are beautiful. This is the only one that I'm wearing is in my size.
Thanks mommy daddy because they helped me choose my ring.
Ardal done his shopping and what have I to purchase? Let's start hunting again. Look, these are beautiful prayer mats. I wish I can buy them all or the whole shop is mine. Let me see this one. Oh, it's the kids one. Everything is beautiful, but it will also be so expensive.
Now we are going towards area where you can hire a taxi. Regina is sad because she didn't buy anything. Now we have reached our hotel.
MashaAllah, the hotel is filled with pilgrims and some are going and some are coming.
There are many shops in this hotel, so let's check them out. If Regina anything likes it, we'll buy it.
Wow, there are rings of my size. Let me try this one on. Ouch, 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 it's hard. This one is small or big? It's small, yeah. Let me try this one. This is super duper small, but its stone is super pretty. Perfect.
Nurjina, give me the ring. I'm gonna pray for it.
Now we came back to our room. I am so tired. I need to sit on my bed. My legs are hurting, so much hurting. This is all of our shopping, and these tops, my mom bought these beautiful tops, earrings, so long. And I bought this ring. This one with a maroonish brown colored stone, and my brother got this ring, a black stone. This one. Can you see it now? And I also got this necklace. It's so beautiful. I can wear it. The stones are so cold. I cannot take it home. It's so cold out here. The colors are white, yellow, green, white, red, and which color more? Golden.
Guys, Alhamdulillah, we performed our umrah and we came back to hotel. I took a shower. I will now tell you what I did for shopping. I bought this ring. I'm gonna show you where. Please tell me in the comment box if you like or wala maafi.
After Umrah and some shopping, it's time for the dinner. I hope that you like this part 3 and stay connected with us. Please like, subscribe and share. In the next video, you will see how we bought the Zamzam water.